Baby ka pa?
Daddy, you car's best.
Yes, wish. What do you want this coming Christmas?
Here, baby, Barbie doll.
Barbie doll?
Yeah.
Wow! Spider-Man and Iron Man.
Wala pa.
Wala pa, di ba?
What that? Daddy, hulog kayo.
Oo, hulog nga.
I'm what that.
Oh, tinuturo niya yung tama eh. Hindi makita si Oki. Where are you, Oki? I love you guys. Behave lang ate ha. Where's Oki?
Ayun, nailoy sa akin.
Ha?
Tabi sa akin, tabi.
Behave lang okay ha.
Daddy.
Ha? What?
Daddy, seat belt.
Seatbelt yan, meron ka na seatbelt dyan ha.
Ito.
Huwag kayo mag-stand up ha. Kasi baka ampug dito ate. Okay, where are you?
Ampug ate, ampug. I'm here.
Are you here? Okay, let's go. Let's go to the house Ninang Ana.
I'm going ground.
You want go playground?
Yeah.
See, tingnan natin kung meron playground, ha?
I'm going to hang ground. Ayaw swimming pool.
Ayaw mo swimming pool?
Swimming pool. Lugo ate, swimming pool. Baby ate pa, baby.
Baby ka pa? Oo, ba?
Playground.
Lulunod ka swimming pool? Bawal ate kasi baby pa ate.
Lugo ate, doy water ko sa hang ground. I like it, I'm happy.
Okay.
Don't playground, don't.
Okay. Okay.
Out slide. Out slide.
Slide what? I don't understand you.
Slide down slide. Like a slide. Daddy.
Oh.
Ate going to up. It always slide.
Ay, slide ka.
Jump ate, jump.
Oh, look your siko. Bubu. Oh, where's Bubu?
Okay.
Oh. Ouchie?
Yeah, I'm ouchie. I'm back. Dapa ate, dapa.
Dapa ate, nako.
Dapa ate. Dapa what you would dapa.
Okay too? You dapa too? Okay? Dapa ka din? Look, there's Ayala Malls. There's yung mami, there's work.
Yeah.
Ayala Malls Bermosa.
Yeah.
Diyan nagwo-work si mami.
Yeah. Work, mommy.
There.
There.
Yes. Inside.
Side.
Yes. Daddy work is driver.
Daddy's work driver.
Yes, I'm a driver.
I want. Daddy. Daddy.
Ah.
Daddy, I watched here.
Oh,
I watch here.
no, it's not the TV.
Papa TV's car.
This is a monitor.
Monitor. It's not a TV. It's monitor.
Yes, it's not a TV.
Okay. Daddy.
Why?
TV tayo.
You want watch the big TV?
No.
No. Kasi doon sa sa house ni Ninang Ana, more big TV, big house.
Daddy, hang ground na yung swimming pool. Lubo bati doon swimming pool. Gusto hang ground.
Playground. Oo nga, hindi tayo pupunta sa swimming pool. Playground, hanap tayo na may playground, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Daddy.
Why?
Daddy, don't playground. I
Ah.
watching Roti.
Okay, playground.
Bata dun. Dami bata. Dami bata. Dami.
Ah, dami bata. Okay.
Daddy is fast. A car's fast.
Yes, very fast car.
Daddy, you car's fast.
Yes, very big car and very fast. Pass.
Yeah.
No speed, daddy.
Daddy, it's not toys.
Huh?
Daddy.
Star toys? Ah, wala. Nasaan yung si ano? Wala. Where's tata?
Iwan ate iwan.
Ah, iwan tata.
Iwan tata doy minang.
Hmm.
Iwan tata iwan ni mami tata iwan.
Hmm.
Iwan ni si.
Okay.
Your car's fast.
Very fast. Pass.
Wow.
Wow.
Fast the car, very fast.
Oo.
Fast.
Very fast.
Mitas daddy. Mitas daddy tayo.
Ate, what you wish this coming for Christmas?
Yeah.
What you wish? Wish. What do you want this coming Christmas?
Here baby, Barbie doll.
Barbie doll?
Yeah.
Wow. You okay? You. What do you want this coming Christmas? Okay.
I will hair Barbie.
Huh?
What? Uh-oh.
What do you want? Okay.
What?
But what?
What? T-Rex. Oh, Rocky.
I don't. What T-Wax?
T-Rex Rocky.
More you want? Okay.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, why, ate?
I'm blue hair and Barbie doll. I want baby toy. I think blue hair style. Really hair blue baby doll.
Oh, di ba nibay ka na ni Mami baby doll? Di ba? Binay ka na ni Mami? Yellow hair? Ah, blue hair? Baby doll, oh. Si Oki, wala pa siyang Spider-Man and Iron Man.
Wala pa.
Wala pa, di ba? Nakatawa ka mag-Tagalog. Wala pa.
Batman, Toto. Toto Batman.
You want Batman?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want see Hulk.
Hawk?
Yeah. Toto Batman. Toto Batman.
Toy Batman?
Yeah. Big Batman.
Big Batman? Okay, very expensive.
Daddy, very fast.
Oh, sige, dadahan lang si Daddy. Takbong 40 lang si Daddy. Hindi na pa si Daddy. Ayan, 40-40 na natakbo natin, ha?
Okay. Daddy, first sit down.
First time natin ate, Ate Rocky, first time ulit natin gumala,
Okay.
long month ago. Ate, okay, and Daddy.
Toto playground. Daddy.
Why?
Toto playground.
You want playground?
Ayaw water.
Pero okay ni ate.
Buti yung
Sinasabi nila gusto na raw ng playground. Ayaw nila ng swimming pool or water kasi malulunod daw sila kasi baby pa sila.
Baby, Woody baby.
Baby ka pa, Sige. Hindi tayo pupunta sa swimming pool. Kapag ka-adult na si ate and okay, pwede na tayo mag-swimming pool.
You Buti lubog.
Ah, lulubog si Oki.
Ayaw pipo.
Ayaw mo swimming pool. Okay.
Lubog, buti lubog.
Lulubog si Oki. Okay. Buti si Oki Tagalog eh, no? Si ate ang hirap eh. Dudugo talaga yung Ilongski. Nakatawa sila kapag tumatakbo tayo ng mga 50 something ganyan takbo. Nabibilisan na sila. Eh ang takbo lang namin eh hanggang 40-40 lang. Nararamdaman nila pag mabilis, pag nasa 50 na. Kaya hanggang 40-40 lang ako. Sila yung taga ano eh, sila yung taga control ng takbo natin. Nakakatawa. Diba? So ano namin to, first na namin magsama-sama ulit sa loob ng isang taon. Ano lang kami, doon lang kami sa bahay ni Ana. Nagre-request sila ng playground. So try ko kung kakayanin ko. Kasi yung nire-request nila yung sa mall, yung per hour. Yung gusto nila eh, kasi nasanay sila doon. Kaya gusto nila yung ganun. Kaya ngayon, doon na kami sa bahay muna ni Ana. Doon muna sila mag-play. Maluwag naman yung bahay. Ayun, nawala na yung daldal ng dalawa. Kaya pop ko muna to. Nakatayo yung vlog natin ngayon. Diba? Pop ko muna to. Mommy's house.
House? That house, mommy?
Yes, nanay, tatay, mommy house. Because house is tag doon? Build. Ibinibuild yung house nyo.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy. Daddy.
Sige, dito ka. Pasok ka doon. Gusto niya raw doon. Gusto doon eh.
It's okay.
There.
Okay, don't sit there. I'm sit here. Back up.
Gusto niya pumesto doon. Sila ngayon ang boss ko. Boss Oki and Boss Seiya. No, okay.
Daddy, don't open me.
No, no. Marunong siya mag-open oh. Yeah.
Daddy.
What is that?
Daddy, not scared. Ever not scared.
You're not scared?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
I'm funny. It's funny.
Funny. Okay. Go up. Ah, no!
No, okay, now.
Delikado dyan. Oh, sige, susunod. Oh, sige, susunod si Daddy. Go up, go up. Go up. Susunod si Daddy. Go up. Go up. Careful, ha? Go up. Careful. Saya sila kahit dito lang.
I'm get Paul.
Oh, go. Dali. Wala na si Oki.
Yogi.
Wait, okay.
Yogi, come here. Yogi, no. What's up there? No. Daddy, Yogi's up there.
Oh, go up there. Oh, careful. No.
Get up here. Daddy.
This is my room. This is my room.
This is your room.
This is room Daddy.
This is your room.
Yes. This is my room.
Thanks, Dad. Here.
Play Play na kayo niyan. Kuha kayo, dali. Oh, yay! Play kayo, play.
I'm happy.
Are you happy?
Ouch!
Careful ha, baka madulas kayo ha.
Who's that?
Santa. Ah? No. Don't touch.
Okay.
Hindi sa akin to eh.
It's clay.
No, okay.
Rocky, with clay. No, Daddy, with clay.
I don't know. Where's your clay?
Okay. Daddy,
Oh, tara na. Go down.
go down.
Oh, Daddy purse. Come here. Let's go. Ate, come here.
Okay.
Gaya talaga to.
Daddy, I want that. Okay, Daddy, want that. Hulog kayo.
Oo, hulog nga.
I want that.
Oh, tinuturo niya yung tama eh.
Daddy.
Ah! You can see.
It's a monster.
Oh, careful. Careful.
Ayun, clay yun.
Okay, where's your clay? Okay.
Please.
You don't know? Okay. Wait, Daddy. Kukunin ni Daddy. Ako na.
Do you want?
Ako na. Medyo behave naman sila ngayon kasi nagnanonood sila. Where's Oki?
No, up there.
No, up there.
Roky's up there.
No.
Roky's up there.
No! Ate, no!
Roky's up there.
No!
Roky's up there.
No! There's Oki. There's. Dali. Hanap mo Oki dyan. Oki, where are you? Oki, where are you? Hindi makita si Oki. Where are you, Oki? Oh, where's Oki?
Roky's up there.
No! There's inside! There's! Ate! No, there's! I love you guys.
Ouch, my boo-boo.
So got.
Daddy.
Love you, Oki. You say, Ate is gone. Where are you? Love you. Love you. You said love you too.
Up there.
No, don't off. Very dangerous. Ah! Boo! Peekaboo! Ate! Peekaboo! 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 What? Ate, where are you? Behind the... Ano ba tawag doon? Behind the sofa. 1, 2, 3! You miss Daddy?
Daddy.
Very miss? You love Daddy? Are you sure? You love me? You ate, you miss Daddy? You love me, you love Daddy? You love Daddy?
I'm playing ground. I'm playing ground.
You want playground?
Yeah.
Nasa ano yun eh, nasa mall kasi yung playground na sinasabi niyo eh. Ano na lang, pag ano na lang ni Daddy, pag may pera na si Daddy, ha?
Playing ground.
No. Pag may pera na ulit si Daddy, pipili tayo ng playground.
Lock.
Nakalock yan, come here. Pag sweldo ni Daddy, ha? Magpi-play tayo ng playground. Yung ano, tawag doon, yung more... Yung ate, look at me. Yung more balloon, something you want? Playground and...
Just sticky doon. Stick. Sticky balloon stick. Hawak natin yan. Hawak. Dinipad natin. Dinipad. Srado natin dito. Srado. Ate, dinipad natin.
Careful. Kulit nila. Hindi sila nauubusan ng power. Ninang? Hindi ba nag-talk na kayo ni Ninang do sa CCTV? Kasi si Ninang nasa Quezon City, nasa kondo. Iniimbitahan nga kayo ni Ninang do sa kondo para maligo daw kayo ng swimming pool. You want swimming pool? Ah, lulubog si Oki swimming pool. Ikaw ate? Ate, you want swimming pool? You want swimming pool? Lulubog ate? Ikaw ate, you want swimming pool?
Baby, ate baby.
Ah, baby pa si ate kaya bawal pa swimming pool, lulubog.
Dito pa, ayaw people.
Okay, sige na. Lulubog si Oki tsaka si ate. Oh, sige na. Ikaw, you want swimming pool? No? Why?
Because I want playground.
You want playground? Swimming pool you want? No, why? Huh? Why do you like no? Lulubog na si ate. Ikaw? Bakit? Ayaw mo ng swimming pool?
Playground.
Playground? Nadala kasi sila pag naliligo sa swimming pool, nalubog daw sila. Baby pa raw sila. Yan lang naman yung update natin.